Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming 2 active player profiles on your Xbox and launching Fortnite. This is essential because split screen needs distinct accounts. Once the lobby loads, sign in the second controller and press it to join. Do it before selecting squad options so the game recognizes both players. Make sure your game and console are updated and your TV supports the resolution you prefer. If you want lower latency, plug at least one controller in via USB. This stabilizes inputs while you continue. Once both players appear, pick duos or squads because split screen only launches in those modes. That's why it's important to avoid solo or creative. Then customize each player's settings. Change sensitivity, aim assist, and HUD scale so you don't fight over controls mid-match. After configuring, invite any additional squad members or accept invites and make sure both player cards show ready. This prevents matchmaking errors. When everything looks right, start matchmaking and keep an eye on connectivity indicators so you don't join with unstable links. After matchmaking begins, the game will split the screen automatically. Position yourselves for the best view and test communication. If the second player doesn't join, sign them out and back in, restart the controller, or have them power cycle the console. These quick fixes resolve most recognition issues. Make sure your network is fast. Prefer Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce lag. If split screen is grayed out, check parental controls and ensure both accounts meet age and region requirements. Updating Fortnite often restores missing features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.